Racing just is started. We have Vinegar. Break quickly at the start. Love. Rushing up now to take the lead. And in third comes John's Memory. Security Charm is down on the inside. Crazy for you. Dwind. While Major Credit is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Love by about 3 lengths. Security Charm in second, Vinegar alongside third. Then next on that is Dwind. John's Memories on the outside. Major Credit, while Crazy for you now running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Love maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Security Charm in second, Vinegar, and on the outside comes John's Memory. Dwind comes next, and on the outside is Major Credit, while Crazy for you is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have John's Memory now takes command. Love shuffle back in second. Security Charm, Vinegar, Major Credit as they swing for home. A long shot, John's Memory this time by about 5 lengths. Love, Major Credits running by the rail. Last 75 meters, we have John's Memory followed by Love, and finally Jackie Kelvin Bete Abobo on John's Memory. Love, Major Credit. Then comes Security Charm, Vinegar.